Hello everyone, good morning. So let's start. Go to Microsoft Excel and create a new workbook. So pag na-open na, maglagay lang tayo dyan ng dalawang column, which is yung column A and yung column B. So, for column A, kailangan mo mag-enter ng 10 rows of number. Yung example ko po dyan is yung mga grades. And for column B naman po, kailangan din po natin mag-enter ng 10 rows of text. And yung nilagay ko po dyan is yung mga names. After ko po palang mailagay yung column A and column B, I just click them and click the Align Text Centered. After kong mailagay yung mga to sa column A, I just select them and sort them. And click this largest to smallest and align them in the centered text. So, for column B naman po, naglagay lang ako dyan ng mga names. Kung may lagay mga ito, gumamit ako ng Ctrl A to select all and sinort ko din sila and I just aligned them in the text centered. Next is perform the 4 arithmetic operation, which is yung addition, subtraction, multiplication, and yung division. After ko matapos yung 4 arithmetic operation, sinelect ko na lahat yung nasa column A. After kong mai-select lahat, punta naman tayo sa insert. And dito na tayo mag-create ng chart using the values from column A. After ko gumawa ng chart, pinalitan ko yung title. And yung nilagay kong title dyan is yung full name ko.